news now coming in from there, from the poll-bound state. In fact, late last night, we are learning that a meeting was held in Nagpur by the NDA camp regarding the Maharashtra Assembly elections, where discussions took place on the issue of seat sharing. Chief Minister of the state, Eknath Shinde, Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis and Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar, along with the rest of the leaders from all three parties, were present in this particular meeting, is what we are learning. In fact, News 18's Vivek Gupta is also joining us on the broadcast. Vivek, a very good morning to you. What more details are you picking up from your sources with regards to the seat sharing formula between all of these parties of Mahayuti? Have they come to any sort of agreement at this point of time?
Yes, actually, the marathon meeting of 4 hours 30 minutes late time meeting of the Mahayuti took place in Nagpur regarding the Maharashtra Assembly election. The meeting which lasted until till night focused on seat sharing issues. Chief Minister Eknath Shinde, Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis and Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar and the senior leader of all three parties, including the BJP Maharashtra State President Chandrasekhar Bawankule, Praful Patel, Sunil Katkare, all the leaders were presented in Nagpur and took this crucial meeting. This crucial meeting discussed the allocation of Maharashtra 288 assembly seats, and all the three parties leaders are agreed that seat sharing will be based of merit. See, few incidents in Maharashtra, just like Badlapur incident and the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Ideal incident, damaged the state government reputation like anything. This topic also discussed in this meeting, how to improve this damage, and all the leaders of three parties have discussed this three topic and the seat sharing topics in this meeting. Sakshi?
Right, Vivek. Thank you so much for walking us through all of those details that you have picked up from your sources with regarding to this crucial meet which was held last night by Mahayuti leaders. We'll keep coming back to you for more details with regards to the seat sharing formula and the discussion that transpired over there. Right now, it's time for a quick commercial break here on CNN News 18. Do stay with us. We'll come right back with more on the other side.